Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. So it is in your bright white paint finish, accented by your chrome badging across the Jeep. Now, being the Overland trim level, you get tons of great features packed into the unit. You do, of course, have your backup camera back there, as well as your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Power lift gate. Now, of course, being the L model, you do have that third row, but you can see in the back there, even with that third row up, you still get a decent amount of cargo space back there. Your third row seats do fold down, as well as your second row, so you do have those power options right there, so you can easily fold and bring back up the chairs and seats there quite easily. Again, just your power lift gate option. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So as I mentioned, with that third row, you can fit up to 6 passengers in the unit. You can see in that second row there, you do get your second row bucket seats, so you can get 2 passengers quite comfortably in that second row. Plenty of legroom for them to sit quite comfortably. In that back row, you can get 2 passengers back there as well. Up top, you do have your dual pane panoramic sunroof. In that second row seating area as well, you do have your climate control options, as well as some USB ports back there, heated second row seats as well, so plenty of great features back there for your passengers to stay comfortable. So just check out some of the features up front. So the vehicle does have your Macintosh sound system, so a great sound system included in there for you. Touchscreen display area. So very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. Up top, you do have access to control, toggle your kind of lane departure warning on and off, a few other features up there as well. Your touchscreen itself, as I mentioned, very user-friendly interface, so you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there. Climate control options also accessible in through there, so you do have your heated, vented front seats as well as your heated steering wheel. Navigation's included in there. Of course, your Bluetooth capabilities, access to just some of the settings and apps that are included in there as well. You do also have massaging front seats, so a lot of great comfort features packed into this Overland. Just below that, you have access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in there as well. USB port hookups just in that center console area. Your key fob for the vehicle right here, so you do have remote start, so great feature, you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. Audio media controls in behind, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All your power windows, lock side mirrors, memory front seats, and just above that is your massaging front seat as well. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee L Overland is packed full of features inside and out. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.